Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be making some bottle flipping videos. Now, I'll just meet you back when I'm done getting this bottle flipping course set up. Okay, here we go. Right here on my swing. And I'm going to try to land it. You ready? Oh, it's hard to get out in first shot. I think there's a bug in my leg. That doesn't matter. Oh! Yes! Moving on.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
I'm making my supper.
The next part.
And you guys are got past on boiling.
Okay, the next part is right here. I'm gonna try to land it on my favorite stool. Okay, here we go.
Gotta get a wrist flick. Go.
I was still good at bottle flipping. Well, if it landed on the ground, I'd be amazed.
Yep, right on the ground.
You know something, all them old dandelions now you're growing up for that again?
You can see my dogs
that's
playing.
not too long. I tried that in my garden and it didn't.
They can see the dogs.
Oh, is it?
And Aaron, if you're watching this, then please give a good thumbs up and subscribe.
Here she is on the rabbit. Just look at her like a rabbit.
We ran into a moose in Piggy Park today.
Go on, go.
She started running around like a hooligan, but she don't got a really good nose, like she's done, right? We're going up this path.
Well, we'll meet you back in the next course. Okay, welcome back. Now, that's all the bottle flipping for today. I can't think of any more spots to do it in. All the spots are pretty dull, but I'm going to film my dogs playing. They're just playing like crazy. So I'll meet you back in the next video. Goodbye, guys. And then Aaron, still, if you're watching this, then please give a big fat like and subscribe. I hope it gets 10,000 likes on this.